far away, 3 kings and their servants were making their way through the night. They had been traveling for months, walking or riding their camels thousands of miles. They came from different parts of the world and had met by chance as they traveled along, following a bright star which had appeared in the sky. Because they were wise men, they knew that the star was a sign that the King of the world had been born.
How much longer do we have to travel to find it? Can't be much further now. We're almost there.